Jackie gwe mulaba nze namujjako goat on a public platform like that one. Era fena kyatwewunyisiza kubanga Jackie, how, where, when, Penge of all people. Era kale naffe ne tumunoonyako okwongera okutunnyonnyola Penge yakuyitamu ng'enjogera inaku zino n'abitunnyonnyola. So kati gwe judging oba limba oba bituufu. But anyway, let's get into this conversation with Jackie Chandiru, then tukomewo.
Yo bali mugundizo, like they are in your territory, the north.
I understand, yes.
Yeah, tuwali tukusubira okubanga gy'olinga ogenda performing.
I was also shocked to see you. Yeah. Kyosobola okugamba nti nze ndabadde surprised nti nsirina abantu bange, but bibaawo bino.
Oba olw'okuba tokkiriziganya ku federation byekola kuba tetukwaba participating.
No, there's nothing like that. Because me and friends artists we talk.
Yep.
Like even on different like personal basis, every time even if we are going to their music. So me, I was just surprised. What I think is that maybe the people around him, I don't know. I don't go to a place where I'm not called. So if you don't call me, that means you don't need me there.
Walero Peng Peng yavuddeyo nakuclaiminga. N'agamba nti yali wali girlfriend we era n'ensonga endala ziyayogeddeko awo. First cut wa Peng. That is what he says.
First cut.
Gamba nga bwe tukimanyi.
Wow.
Chandiru yali girlfriend wa Peng.
Ani
Chandiru wa Bulufiri.
Jackie Chandiru.
Jamubuuza.
Iyo yali baby wange ate namusanga na moto namujja neyo waabwe gye baba mbalugu wange ate nkibuga tamanyi ne bakisala.
Waliyo kya balugu wale ebiseera ffe nga twakola tutya balugu wale.
Akajja kalungi nga jjukira kali mu Zaipa Models. Kajja katabu nje banda nga katabu nya. Nenga fala. Sibjira nga mamuno agenda kubitira police mba distracting a group. Jukiro ya nanyini brutally. Nenga era nzija de kamiri Jackie ayoli maneka million. Kabiri nagala okunkuba nenga mukazi wange balina okushootinga video gundi tudde waka nenga kabiri anga nenga kunkuba
Kamilioni ne Jackie Chandiru.
kabiri agamba bungende nenga basivira mukazi wange mu shooting mu Zaka.
Wow. I didn't know. I don't remember my first cut. I didn't know that.
Jackie, not remember first cut.
That's what I'm saying. Because maybe somebody else knows my first cut was Simani.
Yep.
But no, it's I believe I would know my first cut, and I know my first cut. That is number one. And then number two, me and Peng, we've known each other for like the longest time ever, because that's right from Blue Free starting. He was friends with Steve Jin. So about that part, I don't want to say much about it because I don't know what it is. I don't want to step on his toes. But in Zenganze, I know my first cut. Yes.
Nenga Peng Peng yali ajjako inbox na kuengaginga.
In this business, you bump into people. Sometimes you never know. Overa oh vibe nayingira oh but you say one two things and that's it.
Kale, that is Jackie Chandiru, but Fabasoma psychology, by the look of things, Pengarabika, there is some truth in his allegation to because she didn't deny and she didn't accept. But anyway, everyone has a past, which is okay. It's very healthy and okay to have a past. Tewali buzibu na kubera na past yo.